Hello, welcome back. Another stream. Gonna be a short stream, probably a little bit less than an hour. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go play pickleball in an hour, so I'll be playing some games tonight. Just thought I'd do a little stream. Just don't think there's enough time to like implement any features really, or make this anywhat interesting. So thought I'd just leak code for a bit. You know, I looked at this problem today. It's a very tough problem. I don't really know how to do it. Well, at least I don't know how to do it the optimal way to solve all the solve it within the time complexity they want. But I think what I'm gonna do instead. I don't really know how to do it. At least I don't know how to do it the optimal way to solve all the. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go through the. Hang on, let me fix this over here. Then we're just gonna go through the problems, right? You know, like problems, just keep kind of slamming through it. I want to finish it eventually, so get the little badge, bro. Get that Leetcode badge, baby. So what should we do? Coin change, maybe? I don't know. Take a look here. We're giving an integer coins representing coins. So we have solved this before. So give me an integer array coins representing coins of different denominations and an integer amount representing a total amount of money. Return the fewest number of coins you need to make up that amount. If that amount cannot be made up by any combination of the coins, return -1. So it looks like here, okay, we have 5, 5, 1. Right, adds 11, so we can use it twice. Return the fewest number of coins you need to make up that amount. If that amount of money cannot be made up by any combination of the coins, return -1. You may assume that you have an infinite number of each kind of coin. I think I kind of know how to solve it. We'd obviously need a unordered map with, I think, just integers. For now, I don't know, right? Unordered map DP. Since we're returning a total amount, we have return type int and DFS. Let's pass in a vector of ints, coins int amount, right? Do some music, bro. Let's think about this here. Like, what do we want to store inside of the DP? What do we want to store? Store in DP, right? Really, what we want to do here is we could honestly start at any amount, right? So we have to think about all the different cases, right? There's going to be many different cases to solve this, right? Because we could start at 0, but we might not even want to start at 0. We could skip that element and start at 1 or start at 2 or whatever that may be. Brother got a job and it's still Leetcode and respect. Yeah, dude. Just do it for fun, bro. Dude, low key, I kind of want to get to, like, I don't know. I do a bit of everything, you know. I work on the projects and everything, but I'm just interested in working on the projects. But I kind of want to get to 2K rated on Leetcode, bro. I've kind of like felt like I just want to get there, you know. I want to get to like a 2K rating, so I don't know. Thought I'd just do it for a little bit. I kind of enjoy it, dude, to be honest. It's kind of relaxing sometimes, like, especially when you're like short on time, bro. Like, this stream isn't gonna be that long, so it's like, you know, maybe I solve a couple problems, maybe I only solve one. I feel you. Yeah, bro. Are you looking for jobs right now, Michael? What do we want to store in the DP, right? We want to store probably the index where we're at, but I feel like we'd also need to store the element too. I don't know. Added, yeah, what's up, bro? Maybe we can think about that a little later. Maybe we solve it the backtracking way, like, you know, we can go. No, I'm still looking for internships at the moment. Let's go, bro. Type shit. You got it, bro. You got it. Pass in coins amount. Tough cycle, but we will get through it. Yes, sir. What are you like, a sophomore or a junior in college or something? No. I think we're gonna need some sort of like start maybe, or like some sort of I, or like 0. Let's do like int I. Guess what happened today? The HR calls me and tell to join the interview now, but then she rescheduled it to Friday. Bro, I'm sorry about that. Junior at the moment. Let's go, Michael. Keep going, bro. You're a dog, Michael. Keep going, dude. You got it, man. Is that for Amazon at it, yeah, that you got that interview for, or? Let's see here. I'm gonna try and solve this just the backtracking way for now, and then we can like up it to a DP approach, because I find it hard to think about the DP approach. Yes. Oh shit, dude. I'm sorry, bro. Well, at least, man, you still got it, bro. I mean, you got more time to prepare, bro. Let's think about this. Well, so one base case would be, well, if what would be a base case here? Well, I guess we'd have one where like I would be greater than just like coins.size, right? And we would simply just return 0, right? I feel like we may have one more. You know, like something like if our current is greater than or equal to the amount, is greater than the amount, right? Then what we want to return? Well, we'd probably just return something, right? Return something. I don't really know, right? Because really, if we're greater than count, then this, you know, doesn't need to exist either, right? So, at least now I have a date. Now just a final round to get my job. I believe in you, Added, yeah, bro. I believe in you, dude. You're an absolute dog, bro. Added, yo, what do you? I don't know if I've ever asked you. What are you rated on Code Forces? Like, what's your fucking ELO level for like competitive programming? Let's see here. I don't know if we need this, right? But let's think about DFS, right? Let's think about what we could do here, right? We could take the amount, right? Or we could necessarily skip it. We could take the amount, then move to the next value, or we can take the amount and stay, right? Or we can move to the next one, right? So what are we doing again? We want to send the fewest number of coins that you need to make up that amount. Fewest number of coins. So that means we've got to keep track of also the amount of coins that we have, or the amount of coins that we've used, not just the count. I just started giving contests now, so it's 1029 highest, around 900 now. Is that okay? That's on Code Forces. Is that good on Code Forces? I don't know, dude. Like, I have no idea. Let's see, this is a Vinasan contest. Let me turn down the Spotify, dude. This is so loud. No, it should be 1400 to 1600 to be decent. I feel like you'd be like 2000 rated, bro. Like, low key. Like, isn't 1400 like, isn't 900 like to 1000 like easy level problems? I thought. Or is Codeforces different to Leetcode? Hi Max, congrats on the job. Dude, thank you, Aviana. Appreciate it, dude. Thanks for joining the stream, bro. Appreciate it, dude. I'm pretty happy about the job too. I mean, it gives me time to relax a little bit. You know, I found something, so I just work on, you know, stuff I'm interested in. Trying to learn some graphics programming at OpenGL. Want to try and build like a 3D game now. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but... Alright, so we have 3 states here, right? 1, right? We can take the coin, move to next, right? 2, take the coin and stay, right? Or 3, just like skip the coin, right? So I'm trying to think here. Maybe we're gonna need like another variable or something, like coins taken maybe or something in our backtracking approach. Again, and coins taken. So in CF, generally, no, one can solve all except 100 to 500 people. So generally, your rating boost depends on everyone's performance / how easy or difficult the contest was. In Codeforces, generally, no, one solve all except 100 to 500 people. So generally, your rating boost depends on everyone's performance / how easy or difficult the contest was. Ah, okay. Interesting. Okay. I mean, you're definitely better than me, so I'm trying to get a little bit better too, but... So we would call DFS. We want to take the coin, so we would go take the coin. Let's call this like int take coin and move is equal to DFS, or we can do coins I plus DFS. I can't get a plus 71 contest solving one question. Next day solve one and get negative 100. Okay. I understand how it works. How long have you been learning, like, doing DFS problems? DFS. Doing, competitive programming, like contests and stuff like that for. I still haven't done one yet, and I want to do one. I would expect my level... I don't know if this is too much or this is too bad. On Leetcode, I've never done Codeforces. I'd probably get cooked on Codeforces, but I feel like if I was to Leetcode, I would probably be like somewhere between 1500 and 1700, I would say. I don't know. What do you think, Eddie? Yeah, probably somewhere there. Like, I don't know. I feel like I can solve most problems, but I struggle a lot too. We call DFS here. We take coin and move, so we would go I plus 1, coins, amount, coins taken. Int take coin and stay is equal to coins I. I would have a rating of 0 on Codeforces. Coins I plus DFS I. Coins amount, coins taken, right? Int take, int skip coin is equal to coins. We wouldn't add anything here in this case. We would just go DFS I coins amount, coins taken. Right, our coins taken would go up by 1 here because we took the coin. Right? I plus 1 coins amount. shit, dude. Oh, we'd have to go stay, right? We'd stay here. We have our coins. Amount. Yeah, you see, I'm not that experienced with hard topics, bro. So it's like, I don't know, dude. Like, I think I can do some hard problems, I would say, but like, I don't know. I'd probably need help debugging it, but I don't know. Naren, what's up, Max? What's up, dude? Good to see you again, bro. Really? Let's see here. I think maybe I'm overthinking it too, maybe. If I is greater than coins what size, we return 0. I feel like we're thinking about it too much. We're thinking about coins taken. Planning what to study during my road trip tomorrow for the interview. Bro, just be a dog, bro. Just be a dog, man. Someone's texting me, bro. Trying to think here. I don't know if coins taken is necessary, really, but do you travel to Australia often? Yeah, I do, bro. Like all the time, dude. Yeah. I was there early this year. It's been about 10 months since I've been back, but yeah, at least once a year. So yeah. I don't know what we would return if cur is greater than amount, right? We just like probably just return 0 as well, right? Maybe we should be like thinking about the count really instead. I don't know. Like right now I'm adding it by value here, right? But you know, maybe we shouldn't. Because really there's more to this, right? I mean, we're taking the count. The lowest count. So maybe we need like a global count here. Like we want the maximum. Let's do like int min. Right? With the amount here that we want. Coins taken. I think we're thinking about this wrong, right? So what we should do here is My friend went to Sydney for masters in data science. Dude, that's dope. Sydney's a really cool place, dude. I'm from Brisbane. If you've ever heard of Brisbane, it's like Brisbane, Sydney, and Melbourne are like the biggest three. Big three cities. I really miss being there too. So, yeah, that. I think eventually I will go back, but you know, I think I'll be here for a couple of years maybe, and then probably go back. I don't know. Headed through the Big Bash League teams. Yeah, I did. Brisbane's a nice place. Yeah, I just don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. You know, I'm just kind of going with the flow. You know, I'm just happy I got an opportunity to get my career started, and we'll kind of just see how it goes. So, I really do like where I'm at too. So it's nice here. I got a lot of friends here, so it's a good time. Gonna play some pickleball in a little bit. I is greater than or equal to coin size. Do you watch / play cricket? Nah, dude. I played a little bit of cricket, but like, no, right. To be honest, dude, I like when cricket's on the TV, dude. I still have no fucking idea what's going on. Like, zero clue. So, yeah. I'm more, dude. I love, believe it or not, dude. I love the NFL. Like, I love American football. Like, I'm like the biggest fan of it ever, dude. I watch like a lot of the Sunday games. I mean, so I just love fantasy, dude. Come on. Yeah, I know. I probably should. I just like, I think cricket's pretty boring, dude. I think cricket's like, I think baseball's really boring too. I know it's like not the same thing at all, but it's like kind of is. Like, Australia's incredible in cricket. I know they are, dude. But I know India's crazy at cricket too, dude. So, I couldn't even tell you like on the TV, bro, like how cricket works. I'm telling you, like I know they like fucking like throw the ball and there's like outs or whatever. I don't know. Actually, you know, I'm just gonna say I don't know shit because to be honest, I barely know shit. I just like, yeah, I don't know. I think it's just kind of boring, dude. I feel like they must bake out there in the sun all day, bro. That must be so awful. Like, let's see here. Let's think about it another way, right? Let's use our amount here, right? Trust me, bro. It's not boring. Take my word for it. Okay, I'll take your word for it. Maybe I gotta get on the cricket grind, bro. Maybe I gotta watch the cricket. I think we should do here instead. We should do if amount is equal to 0, right? We then want to compare, right? So we would go stood. Let's do ands is equal to stood max. It's more interesting to play than sometimes. Yeah. Do you play at it? Yeah, you play cricket, bro? Both of you, Naren. Do you guys? What position you guys play? Let's do ands. Is there a position? There must be position in cricket. I feel like that's a stupid question. Like, just take like 20 minutes to understand cricket. You won't regret it. Okay. Okay, I will. Let's take the amount here, right? So, if amount is 0, we take the amount, right? And we compare ands with coins taken, right? Right. Maybe we can switch this to avoid DFS. I'm thinking, right? Not even return anything. We return here. It's opposition. It's more like roles, like bowler, batsman, and all-rounder who does both. Yeah, mate. Been playing cricket since I was 8 years old. I was on the school team. Type shit, Naren. Type shit. Are you Indian, Naren, or are you Australian? I'm a batsman now. Oh, that's cool, dude. My favorite sport. You're baking out there in the sun, right, bro? Isn't that's how it works? Like, you know, they wear those long shirts, long pants, bro. You're like baking out there, like in India or Australia, bro. It's probably so hot there. Like, I mean, I lived in Australia. It's fucking hot, but I assume it's pretty hot in India too. Like, So we can take the coin and move, right? Coins I. We increase I and we increase coins taken. And we would go amount minus coins I, right? Get rid of this here. Get rid of this here. Amount minus coins I, right? Skip coin, we don't take anything, we just skip the coin, right? So we would go I plus 1 here. Right, our coin stays, we didn't take any coins, our amount doesn't move, and we have the coins, right? I'm Indian, grew up there, I'm in USA for college. My favorite spot, I'm Indian, grew up there, I'm in USA for college. Type shit, Naren, type shit. What state you in, bro? Are you in the great state of Illinois, bro? Low key, like me, dude? Try thinking, am I thinking about this the right way? I'm pretty sure. Right? Right, instead of returning here, we would just return ands. Right? This is the backtracking way. And we're moving like this, right? I don't know, should we just run it? See how it goes? Nah, I'm in Virginia, bro. Let's go, dude. Virginia, bro. Coins taken. Oh, shit. Coins taken to 0. Whoops. Are you a master's student, bro? But Illinois seems like a cool state. Nice weather and whatnot. Yeah, it's kind of... I live in the Midwest of Illinois. I don't live in, like, Chicago or anything, so... How do you like it there? It's nice, bro. It's nice, dude. It's the weather's a little bit all over the place. I have a shit ton of friends here, bro. Like I was in a, I think I mentioned this on stream to other people. I was in a fraternity in college too. I was actually the president of my fraternity in my undergraduate years. So I got like shit ton of friends that are all around Chicago. Like I also played tennis in college too. I came here as like to play Division 1 tennis. So yeah, I'm an undergrad 3rd year studying information technology. So dope, dude, dope. Yeah, I played tennis here too, so, you know, a lot of friends around here, and, you know, so it's been great, dude. I loved my experience, bro. Like, it was, I loved it so much, bro. I stayed 5 years. That's how much I loved it, so, you know. Do you know anyone who works on something related to Ethereum or blockchain? I don't, bro. No, I don't. Why am I getting this error here? Cannot initialize a variable of type int with an R value of type void. Oh shit, it's because we're... I think we have to get rid of this, that's why. Nope. Shit, are we not returning anything? We have to return. No? Oh, I don't know why this is not working. Because jobs for these are generally in the US. No, dude, I actually don't. I have no friends whatsoever that like to code or do anything like that. So my only friend that likes to code is Ethan, who's in the streams that I met, like, from YouTube, pretty much. Or actually, I met him on LinkedIn, actually, really, but stood max and coins taken. So it looks like here I'm missing that this should be return ands. So we've got a ternary up here. Int is int max. Why are we doing it max? Aren't we returning the maximum amount? Oh, we're returning the minimum. Oh shit, whoops. This should be in, whoops. Should be max, ternary operator, and is equal to int max, and it's -1, else it's ands, right? Where is ands defined? Down here. Deadly signal. Ah, remember. Yeah. Take the coin, move to next. We take the coin, we move to next. Take the coin, stay. So stay, take the coin, skip the coin. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking about it too many times. Maybe we take the coin and we go to the next, but then how would we reuse what we currently have? Your return cases aren't being hit. Okay, maybe this needs to be all amount is less than 0, right? Yeah. Return. I'm doing the challenge as well. Type shit. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we're returning something. Okay, so... Okay, so now they're returning. So, if amount is 0, we take the max. If not, we DFS, right? If it doesn't hit, we have the ternary over here that returns -1. Otherwise, we actually return ands. Call DFS. Seems right. I just don't really know what's wrong here, to be honest. Yeah, there. Yeah. What do you think's wrong here, Ethan, dude? Tell me, bro. Help me. I think it's got to be one of these, bro. I mean, these base cases seem pretty straightforward, right? I mean, if it's 0 or it's greater than or it's less than the amount, we would just simply return. Otherwise, we take the max. Wait, went to take the min here. Whoops. Maybe that's the reason. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm goated, bro. I'm goated. Okay, this should get a TLE. This should get a TLE. Yes. Okay, so we solved it. Now we just gotta add some memorization to it, right? So we have our DP thing here. This is how I like to solve these problems. I don't know. I find it hard to just think about the DP approach straight away. If dp.count I, right? Then we just return dp I. Right, so then what we want to do here is we probably want to go dpi is equal to ands. Then we return. TPI. I guess we wouldn't have an answer really, right? dp.count I, we return dp. If I is greater than coin size, maybe this should be first. Will we just track I though? I don't know. Maybe this one's a little different. I think we're gonna have to change this to an integer. Because we're gonna have to cache each result. So this is fine, I think. I believe this is just gonna have to be int take coin and move. This will have to be int take coin and stay. And this will have to be int skip coin. I bought a PS5 and now I feel like I don't have time to play. I actually bought it for GTA 6. Bro, buy Battlefield, bro. Okay. I think we have to take the min of this, so like and is equal to stud min take coin and move, take coin and stay, skip coin. I don't know if this is the syntax here, but play Wizard 101 on console. There you go, dude. Type shit. I guess we would just like return ands, right? I don't know. I think I've got some syntax issues here, but let's have a look. Non-void. Oh, yes, we would what? Just probably turn 0, right? But we're not actually incrementing anything. I don't know what the DP would be here, bro. I don't know how to DP this, dude. I don't know how to do it, dude. Dude. Let me look at my submission, bro. I don't remember how I did it. I did this a completely different way, bro. What is this? Rem. What a clean code. Yeah, it looks clean, dude. For sure. So they're telling me for the unordered map that I should use a string instead of an integer. We're doing toString I, toString amount as the key. Okay. So really, I don't think we're gonna need I don't think we're gonna need an ANDs here, right? I think if this is 0, we just return 0, right? This is fine, but we're gonna need a key instead, right? And we define the key being string key is equal to. I think we could also do a pair too. We could just do a pair, but I think for just simplicity, I'm just gonna stick it with a string. We can do like stud to underscore string I plus a comma plus stud to underscore string amount. Generate the key. If it's this, right, we return 0 as well. I guess actually this would be an incorrect one, so we'd want to return int max, right? Because we don't have that anymore here. So if we do ands is equal to this, that means this is still valid. We generate the key, grab it, if the amount is 0, we return 0. Now we just fix this. If right, ands is equal to stud min, we take all of this. I still don't know if this syntax is correct. We take the coin and move. TFS, take coin and stay. We skip the coin. Let's see. I don't know. You just want to clarify it, identify and oh, int here. Unqualified stud string. Okay, is this wrong or something? I don't know. Is this syntax wrong? What did I do wrong, dude? Oh shit, I didn't even give it a variable. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay. Whoops. I didn't even notice that, dude. Okay, so dp.count key, no matching variable for count. I need to change this. This should be a stud string. Return dpi. Oh, dp key. Okay, now we have to check if this is valid syntax. I think it is, but I'm not 100% sure. Is this valid syntax? Okay, this is valid, but what I do need to change is I do like int min. And I go dpi is equal to min. Whoops, but this should be key. Right, and then we would return min. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I'm failing on this test case and getting a 0. -1, 0. So maybe we're not actually adding the keys or something. What happened to the vlog? Dude, I'm still putting it together, bro. I'm still putting it together, dude. I'm still putting it together. There's a lot of footage to go through. So, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been slacking on it. But it's like, I really fucking hate editing. So, I'm not sure what my error is here. So, let's just see. I gotta go soon, so. Yeah, I've really been fucking slacking on it, dude. Like, your code has a logical issue. I only need 2. Oh shit, skip the coin, move to the next. You don't need to take and move state. Let's just take this code and see if it works. How many minutes do you think would be in the final vlog? I'm trying to keep it at 5, to be honest. Okay, so now we're finally getting an output. So let's listen to this. Let's just take coin and skip coin. So maybe we don't need this state here. Which means we can get rid of this, which means we can get rid of these. I'm trying to make it about 5 to 7 minutes. But I'm going through the footage, dude. I want to post a video because I want to post another video on the channel, but do you think like vlog do you think vlog content would be like fun to see? Like just like I don't know. I don't think my life is very interesting, but maybe it could be. I mean, I don't know. Like I've been thinking about it, like just whipping out the camera and like I hit the gym a lot. I don't know, I go out with my friends sometimes, you know, fucking around doing stupid shit too. So I don't know. Maybe my life is kind of interesting. I don't know, but I don't really feel like it is. But I was thinking about doing some vlog content or something. I don't know. You know, a little bit of everything. You know, like me hitting the gym, hanging out with friends, like you know, doing some programming or whatever. Like, can't say. We'll have to see one. Okay. Yeah, sounds good. I'm definitely gonna get this vlog out in San Francisco out soon, but added +1 to the count the coin when you take it. What am I missing here? Min does not equal int max. I'm missing something here, bro. Apparently we only need these 2 states. We take the min. We're moving here. Coins taken. So maybe this should be coins taken. Are they passing in result in here? Oh, they don't keep track of coins taken. That's what's the difference. They don't keep track of coins taken. But how can I do it my way? How can I keep track of coins taken here? Dude. There's this guy who actually had a struggling background. He started vlogging in COVID. He now owns Porsche 911 and G-Wagon. Things changed for him in 5 years. He has no one in India now. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I honestly think like vlogging's kind of cringe too. Like, to be honest. And I don't really like, you know, I don't really want to be a YouTuber. You know, like, I just like to code. So, you know, that's kind of what I want to stick to. Like, I like being on the computer, but it's like, you know, I don't know. That's also another reason, like, I don't know where to kind of take the channel, you know, like, I don't know what the logic issue is. You're only considering taking a coin once and moving to the next coin, which doesn't allow you to use the same coin multiple times. For the coin transfer, you need to allow reusing coins. Bro, you just told me to get rid of it, dude. What are you talking about? Yeah, bro, this Mimo problem's tough, dude. Can only do it backtracking, dude. I need something to compare this to. Let's see what I'm missing here. So let's do Let's change this to res so it's a little bit easier to notice what we're doing here. Okay, so this is fine. String's fine. That works. dp.count. I guess maybe we can move this a little higher. Right. dp.count key. Key's good. Actually, we probably want to move this before anything, right? If the amount is 0, that should be good. I don't know if it really matters at all, but we generate the key, we count, we have our states here. Do this. Take coin and move. I think this is where I have to keep this here. Mostly it comes down to how well you deliver your content. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Well, the thing is, dude, is I originally, bro, honestly, the real reason why I started this channel was to document my own progress. So, like, that's kind of like, I mean, I never want to leave from that, you know? I never want to leave from... I used YouTube to, like, document my progress and to, like, share it with other people, you know? Just, I mean, I'm a fucking regular dude, you know? Like, an average dude, so it's like, you know... Nothing incredible, you know, nothing out of this world, fucking cracked, you know, at programming or anything, but nothing, I don't think I'm terrible, you know, I feel like I'm probably the average dude, but it's like, you know, just to document my own progress, me working on my projects, me working on Leetcode, you know, and looking back, you know, a year from now, bro, like I look back a year ago and I'm like, wow, man, like, you know, just to see where you came from, like, that's why I use YouTube and to like share that with people, you know. I just never really want to get away from that, you know. Never want this to turn into something else other than that, you know. Because my passion is programming, my passion is making things, and like that's what I enjoy to do. I never want to really like turn into being a YouTuber and like doing stuff like that. So I think vlog content a little bit, like in a way, like a little bit of my life, like can come into like I'm, you know, really trying to. You know, I've been going to the gym about 6 months now, so it's like, you know, seeing that progress in the gym, like seeing where you come from and everything, in every aspect of life, you know, just documenting my life and kind of seeing where it goes, you know. I hope that maybe years from now on this channel, like, you know, maybe I'll still be doing a little bit of Leetcode, who knows, like maybe I'll be like over 2,000 rated and I'll be like cracked as fuck. I have no idea, but it's like, you know, maybe I'll be working on other things on the stream, you know, and they'll be, you know, I don't know, like we'll see. So it's like, it's just cool to see where you come from, you know, because sometimes you forget, like, what am I missing here? Mount. DFS, oh, shit. Sometimes you forget, like, I read something the other day, like, you know, I already, like, seen it, like, I've been doing this for a year now, so it's like, you know, you can see where you came from already. Like, I can see, like, looking back a year ago, like, where I came from, and it's like, it's crazy to see the difference, but then it's like, sometimes you forget like where you come from and like where you started, because you keep setting the bar higher and higher and higher, right? As you improve, you're like, okay, I want to be able to do this, I want to be able to do this, I want to be able to do that, and it's like you keep setting the bar, but then you kind of forget where you came from and you forget your progress. And it's like having the channel is, you know, a nice way to be able to see that in a way, you know, and be able to see the progress. And do you ever want to start your own thing? What do you mean by start your own thing? I don't know what you mean by that, like if you could explain it a little bit. But and it's also just nice, like I've met a lot of people from doing YouTube, like I've met a lot of people on the Discord and the Discord channel. Start your own company? I think eventually, yeah. I don't know exactly what I want to do, but I'm still pretty young. But I also just like, you know, I've met a lot of people online through YouTube and made a lot of friends, and it's like, you know, I really do enjoy this time where I can just, you know, Leetcode for fun. And, you know, there's people like you at it, yo, who are way better than me, you know, and it's like, or even Ethan, you know, and other people that are in here, and it's like, it's fun to learn. So it's like, and get better, you know. And I don't know, I never want to get away from that idea, you know. Coins coins amount. Bro, dude, I've pretty much not done this problem. I feel like now, I got lost, like could do the backtrack inversion, but then could not solve this by itself. I don't know. Got a little bit sidetracked, bro. What the fuck? String coins. I applied for a remote job in US once the owner was 21-year-old. The company was GoQuant. Wow, really? 21 years old, dude. That's pretty impressive. I don't know, I guess. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. Like, dude, I don't know what the fuck is wrong here. I don't know what I'm missing. I don't know. I don't know. You know what's wrong here, Edit? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm lost now. Coins amount, right? This is fine. This looks good. Our base cases look good. I just don't really get int res, stood min, take coin and move, skip coin. We have our res here. Where are we defining res, bro? Like, oh, here, sorry. We increase our res if we haven't skipped, right? Yo, what's up, dog? How are you, Goku, bro? Guess we have to ask Claude again, bro. Fuck this, dude. I don't know what's wrong, bro. The shit is wrong. What's wrong, bro? Please tell me, bro. I don't know what's wrong, man. You take a coin, you're calling DFS I, which stays at the same coin X. This allows you to, your coin, take coin and move, and not actually moving to the next coin. Dude, you fucking told me to do this, dude. You're then comparing it with skip coin, which moves to the next coin. This creates an inconsistent recursion tree. Good, dude. What about you? Show the DP. Hang on. I'm doing good, bro. I'm just about to actually end the stream here because I gotta go. But I'm kind of pissed right now because I don't know. So what is he doing here? He just. Because originally what I had was right, these 3 states, but now Claude wanted me to change it to 2, and now I'm confused. So it's like, take coin, state index I to allow reuse, intake, if amount is greater than coins I, and then we skip. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this code, bro. Because I'm getting sick of this right now. I gotta go, so it's like. Let's actually take the recursive part here. Oh my gosh, dude. Let's see if this was my error. I don't know. I needed more time to run. This is a tough problem for me, bro. I've done it before, but I can't remember. Let's see if, okay. I guess I'm brain dead right now at 2 a.m. Yeah, I'm brain dead too, bro. Honestly. Took me an hour to solve this problem. I had the right idea, bro, with the backtracking. I just could not. Oh my god, now I'm getting a TLE, bro. What the fuck? Is it because I'm using a string here, maybe? Bro. coins 1, amount 1,000. It's failing on this. Coins 1. If coins dot size is equal to 1, return 1, right? Oh, what are we returning here, dude? Hang on, I don't even know what to return, dude. Tell me what to return. No, that's not what it is. But what is the output 1? Bro, why is it failing on this test case, bro? What the hell is this? Bro, what? Why is it too slow on this one, bro? Better take a break and clear all the code and start later again from scratch. Yeah, I think I will, dude. Like, bro, what? Time limit exceeded on this one. Like, I think I need to use a pair maybe instead of a string. I don't know. Got all this bullshit happening here now. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna take a look at it later, but appreciate you guys watching. I'll take a look at it again tomorrow or later this afternoon. Peace, guys. We're getting ready for some pickleball. So your camera focus, I blur. Yeah, bro. My hair like splits up too. All right, dude. Peace. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Now it's fine. All right, dude.